How to get best instant gaming promo codes. Now in this video, if you would like to purchase the games from Instant Gaming for your PC, PlayStation, Xbox, or Nintendo, so on, here's how you can stretch down the actual price for a discount. Now create a new tab on your preferred web browser and go into this website that's going to be simplycodes.com. Now next is you can go ahead and go into the search any store box right here and type in instant gaming. And it says zero here for the first result, but if you click that, you will be given a lot of options here. And in these codes was just recently being used an hour ago. So say for example, you would like to have the 50% off. Before using the code, make sure that you fully understand the description of the code. And then to copy the code, just click the option that says show code, copy the unique code, and paste into your payment tab on instant gaming. And that's it. That's how you find best instant gaming promo codes.